So here we go. Blogging and guest blogging. Blogging is a great technique to acquire customers to your website. Why? Because when you give useful information to people, Google traces it very, very well and you go up in the SEO rankings. Guest blogging is also an amazing tip to acquire customers to your website or product. But talking about blogging, there's some things you need to follow when you talk about blogging. For example, titles, headlines are immensely important when you want to acquire customers, because if your title doesn't attract customers, no one is going to open it. So for some tools about headlines, you should start always by a number. Let's start with 3 things. Other techniques are, for example, how to do something, or you should be kind of trying to be a little bit shocking. That's also a very good tool on how to get headlines. Why your headline should be impactful? The main reason is because there's so much content out there and so many people writing about similar things than you that you have to pay an extra effort. You have to do something extra to catch people's attention so they can open your blog. Then, talking about writing, you should be very, very good at writing, and if you are not now, it's fine. It's a matter of getting used to it and practicing. Neville Medira from the copywriting course is amazing for writing. He works with Noah Kagan. He does part of his campaigns, and his emails get opened all the time. He also has a copywriting course that you should take. I think it cost me $50-$60. Well, it is very important to follow copywriting rules. And one of the main ones, I don't know if you know about this one, is called AIDA, which stands for Attention, Interest, Description, and Action. And that's how the best copywriters write blogs or titles or advertisements. Attention means catch the attention with something. For example, do you know 20% of this? Blah, 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 blah. Then you go through description. You expand upon the idea. Then you go for interest. Do you know, you could do the same if you follow these rules, blah, blah, blah. What I am going to teach you, blah, 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 blah. And then you go to action. If you want to learn how to write better copywriting, go here, follow my course. And in the action, you should be very specific on what you want them to do, the very specific steps. Some other tips for blogging. Let's talk about the stats. Articles with images get 94% more views. That's impactful. 36% of the readers prefer articles that start with a number. Yes. 5 tools. And don't do like me. When I started writing, I went for the 100 plus techniques to do something. So don't overwhelm people. That's a hell of a lot of information there. Go for numbers that go up to 10. 7 tools on how to do this. 7 tips when you're writing. 3 strategies to attract more customers. Okay? Then go a little bit, expand your blog. Go for 2,400 plus words because Google will rank you higher. And then think about content creation rank as the single most effective SEO tool by 53% of online marketers. So yes, blogging to get SEO results is a massive, massive tool to get more people through your door. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about podcasting and guest podcasting.